great to see so many different perspectives on UX, and all the overlap between our presentations has been very entertaining.
I talk about something that I love, which is co-creation, and how you prepare your toolbox for this kind of co-creation. It's amazing to be in Budapest. I think this is the first time I have been here.
I think it's a great place to meet with other practitioners and meet super nice people, and also have conversations that I think otherwise you won't have.
My talk was about user research best practices and user research ethics as well, and who's responsible for the practice of ethics when it comes to user research.
I really love it. I mean, it's a great setup. It feels comfortable as a speaker to be part of it. The team is awesome, and the people, there's really good questions from the audience.
I'm so happy to have come here. Really interesting talks. I really like that they are long as well, so you can dive deep into it.